Okay, Hotep, everybody. This is Yirser, Hotep. I'm about to make some juice for y'all. I wish y'all was here to get some and drink some, but you're not here, so I'm gonna make it. And then we'll have some, so my camera may be a little bit out of place a little bit. But I'm gonna make fresh pineapple juice. This is organic pineapple. I'm gonna add green apple because I like the taste of that. I'm gonna add turmeric root, and I'm gonna add some fresh ginger, everything organic. And to top it off, I'm gonna add some mint, fresh mint leaves, okay? So this is not gonna take that long because the juicer I have is very efficient, okay? So I'm going to cut the top off of my, I'm gonna try to cut the top off. I'm gonna cut the top off of my pineapple. And then I'm gonna cut the bottom of it off. And because I'm gonna juice the whole thing with the skin and everything, it's gonna go very quickly. By juicing the skin, I'm gonna be able to get all of the, nutrients that's throughout the entire pineapple. So pineapple juice is very healing and very therapeutic for a whole lot of different reasons. It's a cleanser, it's a builder. It has a lot of different properties to it that promotes health. And I'm gonna tell you, I just came from Ghana. The best pineapple in the world does not come from Hawaii. The best pineapple in the world comes from Ghana, comes from West Africa. It's the outer skin of it is black, but the inner part of it is white. And it's the sweetest pineapple, and it is also the less acidic pineapple. So for various reasons, it's hard, if not impossible, to get it within the United States. You know, it's got to be some bull crap reason why that is. I think that they try to say that pineapple from West Africa or fruits from West Africa, they more susceptible to having infestation of different insects and so on and so forth. But you know, so they try to get you to irradiate things that come from Africa to so-called kill the bacteria. But to me, that's just a bunch of crap. But at any rate, I'm gonna turn my juicer on, and so you may hear a lot of noise. This juicer is called a Breville, I think they call it a Breville juice fountain. And the thing I like about it, this is the plunger. So you can see that the opening of it is this wide, right? So it has a wide opening, so I can get a chunk of pineapple this thick through there very quickly, and it works fast. Unlike some juicers, the best juicers now, they work slowly. They work with an auger, and they turn and they you know, squeeze out the juice very slowly. That doesn't heat the juice up. It doesn't cause a lot of oxidation where you get a lot of foam in the juice. This juicer, the reason I like this juicer is because it's faster than that. And it also, even though it's faster, it does not heat up your juice either. So it doesn't heat the juice. You get a little bit more foam than with the slow moving juicer, but this one, but it's not really that much more. It's not much of a difference, and it's much faster, and it has a much wider head, and you can zip through your, the things that the items that you're going to juice very quickly, okay? And so I'm just going to because people are always asking me these questions. So let me just move the camera, and you can see the juicer, right? So that's the juicer. The pulp comes out in the back of the juicer. I have a plastic bag inside the container, which is the pulp catcher, so I can just pull the plastic bag out, and I can either keep the pulp or I can just throw it away without the container becoming dirty. And then the juice comes out over here on this side, and so this is a container that's going to catch the juice. And so, sorry. So I'm going to see, I'm not no professional at all this stuff. So I'm going to reposition the camera maybe so that we can see what's happening with the juice. Okay. So let me do like this. Let me turn this a little bit. Put this over here. Move my water filter out the way. Then I'm going to position this like here, so maybe you can see. I don't know what I do. Sorry about all of this moving around. I just do it this way. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on boost, which is the fastest setting. See how there's putting big chunks of pineapple in there. And now you'll be able to see the juice go through, come out the you can see that this is 2 whole pineapples in less than 2 minutes. This is the fruit coming out in the back. Juice coming out on the other side. Okay. Now I only have 1 more piece of pineapple left. I'm going to put this in there. Take a whole apple. Put the whole apple in here. Just like this. It's a juiced apple. Take another apple. Whole apple. Put my tumeric root. I'm going to put my ginger root. I'm going to put my mint leaves in there. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there. I was gonna put more apples in there, but I had to stop because my picture is pretty full. So this is how much juice I got in those few little minutes of juicing. And so, you know, I got friends in other countries who juice by hand. They put the fruit into a blender, they put it through a cheesecloth or something, and they squeeze it, they put it through a strainer and they squeeze it with their hand. And that really makes excellent juice. But this is a little bit, faster and more efficient than doing it that way. But if you have to do it that way, there's nothing wrong with it. And so, what I like to do is once I get this concoction put together, it has, you know, it's kind of foamy. It has a little bit of pulp in it. I don't want to throw the pulp away, but I want to make it pleasant to my taste buds. So I take the juice and I'm going to transfer it into my blender. So I'm going to put the juice into the blender. Yeah, and it's not really that pulpy or foamy anyway. This is sort of like the consistency that pineapple has. And so I'm going to put it in the blender, and then I'm going to just try to pulse it maybe. Let me see, this is how you pulse. Let me see. All I wanted to do was just to cause the juice to, you know, to stir up. So now I'm going to get a glass, and I'm going to get my fancy glass for my juice, because I really don't drink alcohol. So I like to have a fancy glass for juice, not wine or some other type of beverage. And here I have some pineapple, green apple, plus ginger, turmeric, and mint. Tastes really good. Hotel, be up, live healthy, live without fear.